Hi everyone, I love mushrooms, and these Char Siu lion's manes mushrooms are no exception. They're packed with flavor, and if you're looking for a healthier option than pork, then this is for you. Lion's manes have a ton of health benefits, from helping brain function, heart health, and helps boost your immune system, with the added benefit of being delicious. When you buy your mushrooms, you want them to be firm, dry, and white. If they're spongy, moist, or look yellow or brown, pass on them. You can see where the mushroom gets its name from having these little hairs on the top. Each one of these is one little tiny piece of the mushroom, so when you break it apart, you're going to see like these little veins running all the way up. That's the whole mushroom, and everything is edible. But for this recipe, we're just going to roast them whole. Let's start by making our char siu marinade. We need to start with some sugar. I'm using corn syrup, or you can use agave syrup. A few drops of red food coloring, but this is optional. And then some hot water. This is going to help dissolve all the sugar together. Five spice powder and some ground black pepper. Low sodium soy sauce. And I also add in some smoked soy. You can leave this out if you don't have it. And some sesame oil. And garlic. Dip your mushrooms in the marinade and make sure that they're coated really well, and then we just want to let these sit out for about 45 minutes to marinate. This is what they look like after they've been marinating for 45 minutes. Now we're just going to put them on a sheet tray and then top them with some of our marinade. Then put them in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. And now we want to repeat the glazing process 2 more times, and you can see how they're really starting to take on that nice char siu color. And this is the mushrooms after they've been roasted 3 times. You can see how they have this nice caramelization from all the sugars in there. They have a little bit of red color, which is that traditional char siu look. And these are just absolutely delicious. These are juicy, meaty, and packed with flavor, and have so many uses, like just serving with rice and vegetables, with stir-fried noodles, in lo mai, which is a steamed sticky rice, or one of my favorites is with bao buns. Start with some hoisin, our char siu mushroom, little cucumber, green onion, some chili crunch, and some cilantro. Thanks for watching my video on how to make char siu lion's mane mushrooms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite way to cook lion mane mushrooms are. See you next time.